It's closer to lambing time, we'll bring them in closer. Then what we'll do is we'll collect them two to three times a week, and we'll feel udders to see who's coming in closer. As soon as I see that they're going to get in closer, we'll put them into one of the lambing camps. Once they're in the lambing camps, they'll lamb, and then 2-3 times a week what we'll do is we'll actually go through and catch out these that haven't lambed yet, and we'll move them into an adjacent camp, and then have them lamb there, and then move them into an adjacent camp, so that we always know the age of the lambs, so that we can keep the mothers here for about 7 to 10 days, so that they can get a good bond with their lambs. Once they've got a good bond with their lambs, then we will actually trailer them down, and then we, like I said, then we're getting about between 150 to 160% out of the pens, and then with the jackals and all the rest, after 3 months we normally lose between 10 and 15% that we actually can sell. With the drought and the financial constraints last year, I took them straight to the lambing camps and had them lamb in the lambing camps, and on the first count we were at 85%, exact same sheep, we were at 85%, and when we finally got to selling we were at 80%.
Wow,
so
what a difference.
It's a massive difference.
Sure.
To lambing extensive and lambing out there.
Yeah. Sure.
So kind of crazy.
So, and just to get the numbers again for the video, when you're lambing up here, what percentage? 140%?
No, I'll normally get about between 155 and 160%.
Oh my
Let's go
gosh.
150 to 160% depending. And then once we put them out, we will lose good 10 to 15%.
Oh, okay.
So I'm normally selling on a bad season 135%, a good season between 140 and 145%. So,
And then when you lambed in the lambing camps because of the drought,
yeah, I got 85% on the first count, and when we counted again, we were at 80%, and then I actually physically weaned. I weaned at 60 days. I weaned them, and I brought them all back up here, and I threw them back into the lambing into the pens and fed them before selling them off, because I was losing so many.
yeah, well, almost half.
Well, you know, there's jackals involved, there's drought involved, drought brings a whole lot of things like dry gall sickness and milk fever, and the mothers are putting too much into their lamb and the mother dies, and then where you sit, or the mother gets so skinny her milk dries up and then she abandons her lamb. You know, the joys of a drought. Everybody wants to know about the drought. Well, can't you pipe in water? And I'm like, it's not the water, it's the food. There's no food in a drought.
Yeah.
The food's the biggest problem, not the water.